I'm now going to repeat the experiment, this time changing to the other cables that were shown in the original video. First of all, we're going to use the monster style cable, which is this one here. Okay, we plug that in and press our play button, and we've got and once again you can see the small distortion there. This cable measured very well in the original experiment. I'm now going to change over to the purple one, which didn't do very well in the original experiment. And you can see here, if I can get the plug in, we start there. And you can see there's a huge difference there. Okay, that signal in the middle, but even if I turn the volume down, you can still see it there. It's a gross distortion on that one. You turn the volume back up, you can see the distortion there. And now we'll put in the impedance matched regular Isolda cable. Again, you can see here there is no difference between the input and the output. You can see there's the connection there with the Isolda cable in place. And I'll now put the purple one in here. Okay, there's the cable, and again you can see the huge distortion. And if we put it back to a square wave, you can see the DC fault and the glitches. Okay.